Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is understanding the basics of crypto trading on Binance. Before we start, does anyone have a question?
Sir, I'm completely new to trading. What exactly is trading, and why do people use Binance?
That's an excellent starting question, Jessica. Trading simply means buying an asset at a lower price and selling it at a higher price to make a profit. In crypto trading, the asset is cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, Binance is one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. People use Binance because it offers high liquidity, low trading fees, many trading options, strong security features.
Sir, what do you mean by exchange?
Good question, Jessica. An exchange is a platform where buyers and sellers meet. Just like a stock exchange trades company shares, Binance trades cryptocurrencies. You can buy crypto, sell crypto, trade between different coins.
Sir, how do traders know when to buy or sell?
Great question. Traders use analysis, mainly two types. First one is technical analysis, which includes charts, candlestick patterns, indicators like RSI, MACD, moving averages. Second one is fundamental analysis, which includes news, market sentiment, project updates, global events, and smart traders combine both.
Sir, what is the biggest mistake beginners make?
Great question. Common beginner mistakes are overtrading, using high leverage, following social media hype, and trading without a plan. Successful traders focus on patience, discipline, continuous learning. To summarize, Binance is a platform, not magic. Trading is a skill, not luck. Start small, learn daily. Risk management is everything in our next class. Any final questions?